Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 14, and its title is A Good Citizen. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet link are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 7, we will read about maps reading, how we can read a map. So today we are going to learn about maps. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned about map reading, how we can get about map. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's student learning outcomes are: read and use symbols and directions in a picture story map. And the other SLO is read simple keys or legends on maps. So today we are going to learn about maps, directions and its keys. Okay, my dear students? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Ar-Ra'd, verse number 3, and it is He who spread the earth and made in it firm mountains and rivers, and of all fruits. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the attributes of Almighty Allah, that how He has spread this earth, and how He kept the firm mountains in it. Definitely there is a figure, and there is, like, we cannot even imagine that how much attributes, countless attributes Allah Almighty have, that we cannot count how much powerful He is, that how He spread the earth, and He also blessed us fruits, vegetables, different types, different tastes of fruits are also there. So it is countless. These are all our countless blessings from Allah Almighty for us. Okay, so this is that He spread the earth. Okay, the spread of earth with boundaries. There is a boundary of earth. So today we are going to learn about these things. Okay, are you ready to refresh our knowledge? Okay, so see, there is a question for you. What is a map? Okay, excellent job. Next is there. What do you know about cardinal directions? Yes, you have already learned. Good job. So let's see. What is a map? A map is a drawing of all or part of Earth's surface. Its basic purpose is to show where things are. Maps may show visible features such as rivers and lakes, forests, buildings, and roads. They may also show things that cannot be seen, such as boundaries and temperatures. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear fellow students, this is definition of map. What is a map? Map is a drawing. This is a part of Earth's surface. When we want to show that this is a map, is a Earth's surface, part of Earth's surface. It depends that which place we are going to discuss and which place we want to know about it, its boundaries, its lakes, its water bodies, like rivers, how much water bodies are there. So what is this? Is the called a part of Earth's surface. Okay, its purpose is it will guide us. Map always guide us about things, that where these things are located and how we can get them, how we can approach them. So it also tells us about boundaries and temperatures also, that how temperature is high and how much temperature is low, and on where, which places. Okay, so see, there is a map of the world, there is a globe and this map of the world, and 7 continents are being shown in this map, my dear students. You can see North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, and Australia and Antarctica. Okay, so these all are 7 continents. Okay, 7 continents, and these that you can judge that, my dear students, these lines are showing the boundaries. Okay, this is the boundary of South America. You can see that here also Africa. So these are called boundaries, my dear students. Okay, and other remaining parts are oceans. There are different oceans are also there. Okay, that blue part is being shown now. So this blue part are water bodies. There are water bodies and these are lands. Okay, because we find on earth 2 types of places, water bodies and land. Okay, have you got now how we can see maps and how we can find boundaries on the maps? So let's see what are maps keys. A legend or keys displays the meaning of the symbols, colors, and styles. The map key or legend is an essential part of the map. So map keys are essential part of the map, my dear students. Why these keys are essential? Because it explains what the symbols on the map mean and allows you to make sense of the map. That these keys help us to understand that which place is located and where we can find it. So through these keys we can find easily and quickly. Okay, these keys helps us in every way while searching any place on the map. So how maps keys are there? You can see there are maps key, my dear students. You should read that, like school, this is symbol. So you can see through symbols. That is fishing, you can judge there. Bakery, different keys are there, like house, my dear students, if you're going to doctor. So this is you can search that. If there is not written that word doctor, so by the symbol key you can find where is hospital. So where doctor can be found? Yes, definitely in hospitals. So we can see this symbol and we can get doctor there. Okay, these all are being shown map keys. Okay, and these map keys helps us to find a proper place whenever we need. Okay, good. I hope you have got, my dear students. So see there, what are cardinal directions? Yes, north, south, east and west are known as cardinal directions. As we know that there are 4 directions, 4 main directions, my dear students. How many main directions? 4 main directions. Good. So what's their name? North, south, east and west. Okay, and these are being shown on the map. How? I will tell you next. These are the main points on a compass. So you can see that there is a compass. Okay, this compass always shows cardinal directions. So see there. Yes, read that. This is north, this side. And where is south? Yes, there is south, east, and yes, west. So you can see that, my dear students, north and south both are opposite to each other. These are opposite directions. And west, east and west or east, both are also opposite directions. Okay, these are 4 cardinal directions. While we use these directions when we are finding a place, when we are locating a place on a map. So you can see there, these are like south, east, north, west. Okay, so see there, look, you can see, judge there, my dear students. So these are the keys. Tree, these are symbols. You can judge that. Tree symbols, where trees mean forests, where forests we can locate. These all are there, my dear students, and you can use these symbols. East, where we can find east? Yes, there we can find. Okay, so these keys are helping. So there is, like, see that, my dear students, hospital. So where hospital is located? There is hospital. And which direction is that? Yes, this is west. Okay, so hospital is located in west. So that's why we can use cardinal directions while using map. Okay, good. So see there, now it's an activity time, my dear students. Let's perform an activity and see what you have got about map reading. Look at the map key in the given map and read the cardinal directions. Identify the symbols of each map key. Tell what each symbol represents. Okay, my dear students, there is a map. See there and see how these are also cardinal directions: east, west, north and south. Use these keys. Open your book, my dear teachers. Read out all that for your students and guide them properly how they will use directions using symbols. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Excellent job. Good. And I hope you can read and you can find a place by using map keys and cardinal directions. Good job. So let's see next, what are scrambled words? Scrambled words, to put things such as words or letters in the wrong order so that they do not make sense. So yes, my dear students, what are scrambled words? When we put letters of a word in a sentence, we can see, but we are talking about words here, so we will get letters. Okay, when we put letter of a word in different order, okay, rearranged, when we rearrange them, so then how they do not make sense in wrong order. You can see there, when we put words, letters in wrong order, so definitely they will not make a sense that which word is that. So you can see there, example is there. Okay, read that, my dear students. Okay, ROTDCO. So can you get that? Which is this word in this order? If we place this order, so this order is called scrambled word. Okay, so such type of words are called scrambled word. Good. So how we will unscramble them? So let's see, which is this word? Yes, this is doctor. Now this is unscrambled word and making us clear sense. Okay, scrambled word will not make us give us a sense about the word. Keep remember, when we will unscramble them, then we will be able to get that which word is that. Okay, see there is next is, read that. Okay, can you judge what is this? Which word is this? Even this word is from your lesson that you have read just right now. Okay, okay, let's see. I hope you have guessed. Yes, this word is citizen. So look at that, we arranged all these letters, then we got a proper word and a meaningful word, citizen. Okay, so in this way, these are called scrambled word, and when we unscramble them, so we got a proper word. So see there, my dear students, there is open page number 114, my dear teachers, get your class. There is scrambled words, read out the statement and unscramble all the word, and these all words are related with map keys. Okay, so perform this activity on your book and I am waiting for you. Excellent job, and I hope you have done it and you have enjoyed it, because this is so interesting job when we are reading a word that is not in a proper sense. It's an interesting job. Okay, good. So what's your homework for today? Draw a map of Pakistan and show its 4 provinces in your notebook. So you will draw a map of Pakistan and you will show its 4 provinces. In this way you can draw and you can show, okay, tomorrow, and then you will show this homework to your teacher, and that one will draw in a best way. So teacher, you should praise, appreciate that student. Okay, so yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form. Okay, so what we have learned today? Today we learned about map keys and how we can get sense about map symbols, about cardinal directions and their use on a map, about map reading using map keys and cardinal directions, about scrambled words and their arrangements. And in this way, we have covered up our SLOs, read and use symbols and directions in a picture story map, read simple keys, legends on a map. So this was our SLO, my dear students, and we have covered up today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.